welcome to our channel MED.Science. Today we're going to talk about vitamins and nutrients you need to have healthy hair growth. A well-balanced diet is the first key to top-notch dresses. But you may still need extra help to kickstart your hair restoration. Your primary care doctor or dermatologist can help you safely determine which hair growth shampoos and supplements would be the most appropriate. Now let's talk about 5 reasons your hair is damaged. Coloring, blow-drying and overwashing can all harm your hair, but there are also some other landmines to watch out for, such as inadequate nutrition. Hair, like anything that grows, needs the right nutrients and conditions to thrive. And it starts with what you eat. Health problems. Certain medical conditions, such as thyroid problems and anemia, can negatively affect hair health and growth. Genetics. Between 60% and 70% of the population carries the gene for male and female pattern hair loss. Age. At any given time, we have hairs growing, resting and shedding, but as we enter our 30s, the percentage of hairs actively growing goes down. Major life events. All hair is a relatively short life cycle. It's normal to shed anywhere between 100 and 200 strands a day, but some life events cause periods of increased shedding, including major surgery and having a baby. In fact, up to half of your hair can shift from a growing to a shedding phase postpartum. What's more and as much as important, if you aren't getting enough of certain key vitamins and minerals, you may be at risk for hair loss, too. Find out which foods you can get these important nutrients from, and make sure you talk to a medical professional before you take a supplement. When it comes to vitamins, more is not better, and sometimes too much can be harmful. 1. Biotin. Biotin is important for cells inside your body. Low levels of it can cause hair loss, skin rashes, and brittle nails. Your levels may be low if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, taking certain antibiotics or epilepsy drugs. Most people receive enough biotin from the foods they eat. The best way to get more is to eat biotin-rich foods like milk, eggs, bananas, salmon, sweet potatoes, whole grains, meat and almonds. If you do feel you need an extra boost, talk to your doctor. Supplement labels reveal that many biotin supplements for hair, skin and nails far exceed the recommended daily amount. Other B vitamins help create red blood cells, which carry oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles. These processes are important for hair growth. You can get B vitamins from many foods, including whole grains, almonds, meat, fish, seafood, dark, leafy greens. Additionally, animal foods are the only good sources of vitamin B12. So if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet, consider taking a supplement. 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A can potentially do 2 things for dull hair. Firstly, studies show that it helps stimulate the cells to grow new hair. What's more, vitamin A is thought to prompt the pores in your scalp to produce more oil, which can then moisturize it and give it shine. This works by producing sebum, an oily substance which helps keep your hair and scalp healthy. You can get sources of vitamin A naturally by eating eggs, cod liver oil, sweet potatoes, carrots and leafy green vegetables. 3. Vitamin C. You might associate vitamin C with your immune system, but did you know that it can also help boost hair growth? This is because it assists our bodies in making collagen, a substance which is rich in amino acids that aid in strengthening hair follicles. Vitamin C can also help combat free radicals, molecules which damage your cells and may lead to slower hair growth. It is also thought that eating food that contains iron at the same time as eating foods that are high in vitamin C will help your body absorb the iron better. The best sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, peppers, broccoli and strawberries. 4. Zinc. Zinc has many uses around the body, including assisting with cell tissue growth. It also plays an important role in the oil glands in your scalp and makes sure they produce enough sebum to keep your hair moisturized and your scalp hydrated. You can get more zinc into your diet by adding spinach, lentils and pumpkin seeds to meals. 5. Iron. Iron is an important mineral for many bodily functions. It helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your cells, and more specifically in this instance, to the roots of your hair. It's important that you eat foods that are high in iron as it's not absorbed into your body very easily. A lack of iron in your diet can lead to fatigue and tiredness, or in serious cases anemia. In order to do this, you should eat more eggs, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, brown rice, baked beans, lentils, spinach, broccoli, tofu and dried fruit. 6. Vitamin D. A deficiency in vitamin D may result in hair loss, according to researches. Vitamin D is metabolized in the skin by keratinocytes, skin cells that produce keratin. When the body does not have enough vitamin D, the keratinocytes in hair follicles have trouble facilitating hair growth, resulting in shedding and hair loss. Most people don't get enough vitamin D. It may still be a good idea to increase your intake. Your body produces vitamin D through direct contact with the sun's rays. Good dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, cod liver oil, some mushrooms, fortified foods. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are unsaturated fats that are essential for overall working of the bodily functions. These are good fats that are anti-inflammatory and strengthen the hair follicles and help them grow. Omega-3 naturally occurs in foods such as shellfish and flaxseed, but you can also find it in supplements like fish oil. 8. Protein. Hair is made almost entirely of protein. Consuming enough is important for hair growth. Animal studies show that protein deficiency may decrease hair growth and even lead to hair loss. Nutritious sources of protein include fish, lean poultry like chicken, eggs, dairy products like low-fat yogurt and cottage cheese, nuts and nut butters, seeds, legumes like beans and lentils, whole grains like whole wheat pasta and quinoa, soy products like tofu and tempeh. There are no scientifically proven follicle miracles that will make your hair grow. However, by eating a balanced diet and ensuring that you eat the right foods, you may see an improvement. If you're deficient in any of the said vitamins and unable to get the correct amounts through your diet alone, consult your GP, as it might be worth taking a supplement. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video.